I'm going to show you how easy it is to restring a two-sided spool on a spring trimmer weed eater. I'm using my Murray weed eater. It's an M2510, and it's really easy to do. I'm going to use this 95 thousandths of an inch. I like to use the thicker string. You can get a lot of usage out of it, but it's a whole lot easier if you use the 65 thousandths of an inch. But first, what you want to do is screw this cap off here. You want to go counterclockwise. And what you want to do, once you take it off, you're going to notice that the spring is still on. I'll just leave it there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some numbers here. You see this slot here is 65 thousandths of an inch. That's if you're using 65 thousandths of an inch string. We're going to use the 95 thousandths of an inch string. You see the slots are on opposite sides. But first, I'm going to measure 6 feet. So the easiest way for me to do it is just stretch it out there. That's about 6 feet. And I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to get 2 pieces 6 feet long. And if you want to purchase any of this stuff, you can look in my description below. So once you get the 2 strings, you want to line them up together. And you notice that there's 2 holes right next to each other. And you want to push these strings in and put a little force behind it, because what it is beveled a little bit, and it'll help it lock into place. And I'm going to do the other one the same way. I'm going to put a little pressure. I'm going to push it in. And the reason I'm doing that, because when you start spooling, it might come off if you don't have it pushed in there fairly hard. And now what you want to do is just go ahead and spool it on. And it gives you the direction to spool it. And once that's done, you want to leave a little bit hanging out, and you want to put them in these slots. This is 95 thousandths. You hear it click in there, and roll the other one around the opposite side and click it in. And it doesn't matter if the one's longer than the other. We're going to cut it to size anyway. Once you got the strings, you just find the holes in your weed eater and push them through. And you want to line that slot up with that hole, but put your other one in also, and just line those slots up with the hole. As you can see right there how I got it, and just slowly pull it and push it down at the same time. And you push and pull, and you'll hear it snap into place. As you heard that snap into place. And you're really good. You really don't have to cut the string, but I like mine to be the same length or pretty much close. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this cap back on. You just screw it clockwise. And what I'm gonna do next is push this down and slide some more string out. I like to get about say 6 inches or so. But you see right there, and this one right here is a little longer, so you can just take your cutters or your knife, whatever you got, and just cut it off. And that's it. That's how easy it is to restring a two-sided weed eater holder. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. You can also purchase this stuff in the description below. Thank you.